Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 70 of Building the Tumbler, the Batmobile from the Dark Knight trilogy. This is another quick build episode, but I will be bringing in the whole thing and having a look at how it all goes together. Looking at iconic and forever. Batman is pretty iconic and pretty much forever, so I'll go with that. Batman versus Batman. Evil Batman. There's always an evil. Superman had an evil alter ego thing. So yeah, that must be Batman against Batman. I bet Batman wins. What we've got there. So yes, this is what we've got. The left side surround window frame type thing. What does it call it? Just call it a panel. Yeah, nice and easy. It's just 2 screws to hold that in place. Not so many stages as it makes out that there are. But we'll make it look like that. And then we'll have a look at everything. So what we've got is this panel. This is what we put the window in last time. It basically goes across there like so. There are 2 screws, one there and one down there. They supply the pack of screws, obviously, as they always do. Get 2 out from there. Put that to one side with my bundle of screws from this delivery. Keep them all safe in case they're ever needed. So we've got one that lines up nice and easily down there. There's a bracket post that just goes into that hole like so. And the other one just lines up again against itself like that. So let's get this lined up on there. The angle of the screw correct. Screw on the screwdriver correct. I've actually got 3 screws out, I've just noticed as well, so put one of those back in a minute. Put that one in there. One in there. There we go. I'll get those both tightened up. So let's clear this all out of the way and let's have a look at everything and see how it all goes together. Right, here we go. That center console goes in there. It fits, so I'm assuming that's where it's going to go. I don't know how this, it obviously isn't going to move in, but that's obviously how that's going to, in universe, the seat obviously, I don't know, folds forwards or this goes forwards, but yeah, for now that's how that is. None of this is actually attached. I've just put it together for now, but I like how it fits together. It's looking good. Now, usefully, they did a while back provide the, it says 1/43rd scale, but I think it's smaller than that, version of the tumbler. So you can see how the engine fits back, how it all goes together. It's very useful for this because we've just got all of these loose panels now. From way back when we've got the front windscreens, which basically are going to go about there like that. The back ailerons that we've just done go about there. And this is the other bit that we did like last month. That actually fits on top of there, and it does. There are screw holes that locate that in place like that, and that goes about there. And the window that we've just done goes on this side, again, sort of in there somewhere under this bit, about there like that. I can't see exactly how that joins together as yet. It probably doesn't as yet, but that sort of goes together like that, and that goes on there like so. So yeah, I do really like how it's going together. It's not as big as I was thinking it was going to be. The 66 Batman is longer. So yeah, it's quite interesting. But that's obviously the finished version. But yeah, I like it. It's come together a lot, and there's quite a lot happening now. The interior obviously still needs some more work doing to it, and it's all got to be attached together, and all the wires obviously then need to be reconnected. But I do like it. I think that actually, yeah, we've got more sort of air on vent things at the back that are more in line with that. So that might be a bit further back than that. I don't really know. Can't really tell because the angles are all not quite right. Obviously, got the whole front covering section to put on as well. So yeah, it's good. I'm liking it a lot. I shall put it aside for another month until the next delivery turns up. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you for more very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.